Italian cuisine is always a big comfort food for me, but sometimes you want something a little more than your average spaghetti. That's where this Italian baked pasta comes in. It has a creamy, smooth Alfredo middle with a breaded crunch on the outside that gives an amazing texture that you just can't wait to dig into. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to bake some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can get more delicious recipes. For returning subscribers, welcome back to my kitchen. In a large Dutch oven or saucepan, bring a few cups of water to a boil. Add 8 ounces of wide egg noodles and cook for 8 minutes or until al dente. Drain the noodles and add them back into the saucepan. Add 1 jar of light Alfredo sauce to the noodles and stir to completely coat them. Add about half of your chopped scallions and stir. Add the noodles to an 8x8 pan and make sure that they're spread into the corners evenly. Cover it with plastic wrap and place it in the freezer for an hour or until the pan is completely cold. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and slice the noodles into 4 equal squares. I like to keep an ice pack under the pan while I'm breading the squares to keep them cold. To a large bowl, add the 1½ cups of Panko Breadcrumbs and place a square of noodles on top. Put the panko on top and press into the side so that the whole slice is covered. Carefully place it on a lined cookie sheet and repeat with the other slices. I breaded and froze the 2 other slices for a later date for us. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes. Slice up some mozzarella or your preferred cheese. Good gravy, I really hacked that up, didn't I? Oh well, it's all going to the same place, right? Turn your oven on broil. Top the squares with half a cup of your favorite marinara sauce. I actually used a spicy meat sauce for ours. Sprinkle on the scallions if you want them baked in, and then top with the slices of cheese. Place them under the broiler until the cheese is just melted. Italian baked pasta is a great way to enjoy those delicious Italian flavors that we all love. When you sink your fork into the crispy outer crust to reveal the creamy Alfredo goodness, you'll taste the love just like Mama used to put into it. For the full recipe and more, go to mrskringleskitchen.com. Subscribe and share the love with your foodie friends.